Hello, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button twice, like this, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select the sound option. Here scroll down and tap on the phone ringtone. And now, right here we have a list of ringtones. As you can see, it's quite long. You can tap on one to select it and listen to it. Like that. Find the ringtone you like, select it, for example, this one, and tap OK to confirm. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.